Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video it has been requested that I do one of the most boring looks ever, but I'm going to be doing a brown smoky eye with the Juvia's Place Nubian palette. So I'm going to walk you through the steps how to get a brown smoky eye with this palette, so let's get right into it. So this is going to be a voiceover tutorial, and I'm just going to start off by using my Fenty Beauty eye primer, and then I'm just going to pat it in with my finger. And I'm not going to set it, I'm just going to go straight into eyeshadow after. I'm going to take my Morphe JS5 brush, and I'm going to go into this light brown shade, and that's going to serve as my transition, and it'll just make things easier to blend. I'm just putting that right in the crease. Next, I'm going to take my Morphe M433 and I'm going to go into that deeper brown shade and just blend that with the light brown that we just put in the crease. Just kind of using like windshield wiper kind of motions, as you can see. And I'm just trying to pick up a little bit of product at a time. And I'm going to take another Morphe brush. This is an M505 brush. And I'm picking up the darkest brown and a little bit of that lighter brown to just kind of build our way up into a dark, smoky look. And try not to go overboard with the dark brown too quickly, because you can't go back once you put too much on. So I'm just going to kind of pack it and then blend. Now I'm just going to do the same thing to the other side. And now for the lid, I'm going to take my Morphe M167 brush, and I'm just going to kind of pack that shimmery kind of brown all over the lid. And then I took a bit of that brown that we used before on the fluffy brush and just kind of blended it out a little bit. Now I'm taking my e.l.f. brush, this is just called the eye crease brush, just to kind of get into the crease where some of the color may have skipped, to just kind of build up the intensity. And we're going to do the same thing to the other side. So now I'm going to take the deepest brown along with the lighter brown on the same e.l.f. brush and just smoke under the lash line. Just so that way it doesn't look too heavy on top, it kind of evens everything out. Now I'm going to take the Morphe M433 into the lightest brown that we started with, and I'm just going to blend out the edges so nothing looks too harsh. Next, I'm going to take this very small little Morphe brush, and I'm just going to go into that shimmer shade and just put a little bit on the inner corner of the eye. And this helps to open up the eyes a little more. And now I'm going to just curl my lashes, and then I'm going to apply mascara, and I'll be done. Okay, so I just curled my lashes and I put on my Essence Lash Princess mascara, and then I just threw on a gloss. And that's it. That is the finished smoky eye. Let me bring you a little closer so you can see. Ooh, don't mind my hair, but yeah. So that's just an easy brown smoky eye, and I just kind of went for it. I mean, obviously you don't have to go that dark if you don't want to, but I really wanted to be able to like show the smokiness of it, I guess. So yeah, let me know if you want more, like, I guess, tutorials with like any of the palettes that you saw in my makeup collection video. But yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. Like, why haven't you subscribed yet? Okay, so that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye! Mwah.